Hello and welcome to Nigel's Workbench. On the table today we have an Amiga bus mouse, and this is the type that will do Atari ST and Amiga by using this switch. It's actually an ellipse mouse, so I'm going to test this by plugging it into my Checkmate A1200. Put the mouse in the port. So we'll switch on the Amiga with the disc in the drive. As you can see on here, we need to click on F4 or use the mouse pointer to select, and see that's left button, right button. Move the mouse around, so it's all working just fine. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and support me on Ko-fi, Patreon and Buy Me a Coffee. Thank you, goodbye.